Hello everyone, welcome to the course. So in the first sections we are discussing about the tools. We are covering all the major tools. Then we are moving to the opacity versus fill. What is opacity and fill? What are the differences? How we can use that? Then we are going to choose the blend modes. So we have 27 plus, 28 including pass-through blending mode. We are learning actually 27 blending modes. Then we are heading over to the layer styles or blending options, starting from drop shadow with an example making a fake chair drop shadow, then mastering in outer glow, how we can use that and how we can change in our text, then pattern overlay, then the gradient overlay, color overlay, then satin, inner glow, inner shadow, then stroke, then finally bevel and emboss. Bevel and emboss is a little bit huge because we need to learn thoroughly. Then we are learning Photoshop contours and contour graphs. Then we are just moving to the text designing. There's glass text designing, then 3D text designing, then neon glow text designing, then finally a simple text designing. Then we are moving to the adjustments. That's adjustment layers, 19 different adjustment layers. This is really important in learning Photoshop. You have to cover all the parts, then only you will get a clear idea about every single thing. Actually this is really simple, but it's more powerful when you edit, especially when you play with the colors or color correct or even you color grade. Then we are moving to the poster designing. That's a classic poster designing and a simple war poster design. Here you will get an idea to make posters. Then we are moving to the makeup and beauty section. So most of people are thinking how we can clean up our face, then how we can do makeup, a simple makeup, then add lipstick, then changing eye color, then removing dark under eyes. Nowadays it's a serious problem to remove dark under eyes. Anyway, you can remove dark under eyes. Then the masking. Actually you need to learn about masking because masking is really important to make awesome effects in Photoshop. Then we have blend if. Actually you have to learn blend if anyway. Blend if is one of the best effects or settings I seen on Photoshop. You have to cover blend if also. Then I just introducing two stunning photo effects. That's the comic book and color pencil sketch. These are really beautiful effects, so we can cover these two also, and we are learning many more. And after completing this course you will be able to edit images in Photoshop without searching on internet or watching tutorials on YouTube. So let's get started with the tools. Thank you.